Hey, guys, what's happening? So, got some pretty decent news, guys, for everybody that does cop watching and etc. etc. So, the Supreme Court has officially made it easier, guys, for us to sue for malicious prosecution, sue cops, and sue prosecutors who maliciously prosecute us, guys. So when them cops arrest us the next time and they say, "Oh, we're going to get you for trespassing or whatever," and then they or not IDing, and then they get you to the police station and they realize, "Oh shit, this ain't going to work. Let me figure out something." Obstructing, resisting without violence, resisting with violence. Disorderly conduct. Let's put all these charges on them. And then you go and you fight that and you file for a motion to dismiss, guys, and the prosecutor dismisses it, like in most cases involving us auditors and cop watchers is what happens. The Supreme Court has ruled that okay, here's an example. Okay, this is what it stems from. Exactly what it stems from, guys. It stems from a criminal case in New York over diaper rash. A baby having diaper rash. Yeah, you heard me. A baby having diaper rash. So what happened is a man and a girl moved in together. They were getting married. They had a kid. The kid had a diaper rash. The sister-in-law, who suffered from mental illness, called the police and told him that he was abusing the child. Never told him or anybody that he was doing it. Well, the police came, and the guy opens the door and is like, I don't know what you're talking about. You must have the wrong address. So the cops didn't come. I'm sorry, just the EMTs came. So they left and come back with four New York cops, NYPD officers. They come and the man goes, "Look, unless you have a warrant, you're not coming into my house and checking shit." They proceed to do what cops do: jack him up, slam him on the ground, cuff him, and charge him with resisting arrest and interference with government operations. The EMTs check the baby, see it's clearly diaper rash, but they take the baby to the hospital and affirm it with a doctor, and yep, it come back as diaper rash. So, in trying to fight his charges, they offered him a deal like, if you follow all the rules that we give you after court, this will go away. It'll go off your record, and you'll have no record of ever being arrested. And he was like, screw you. I'm not gonna plead guilty to nothing. I didn't do anything. So after he said that, he was like, we're gonna take it to trial. The prosecutor dropped all charges, so he filed a lawsuit. Okay, went to court, and one of the judges was like, we're going to deny the lawsuit because, when he filed the lawsuit, the judge denied it, said that you have to prove your innocence. Well, come on, guys, we can't prove our innocence. If we didn't do something, we can't prove we didn't. You can't prove that you didn't do something. I mean, that's an oxymoron. You know what I mean? The only thing you can do is prove that you didn't do that. Okay, so here it is. He appealed it, went to the Supreme Court, and it was actually Judge Kavanaugh who signed off on it, saying, "Look, America is you're innocent until proven guilty. So therefore, if you are not proven guilty, you're by default innocent." You see, before, courts never have said you're innocent. They've always found you not guilty. So that's not an affirmation of your innocence. That's just saying you're not guilty. Get it? Yeah, it's a play on words, and it's what they've used to keep us from being able to sue prosecutors and cops who fucking do this shit to us, guys. So, new Supreme Court ruling that's lowered the standards to sue for malicious prosecution, guys. No longer do we have to be found innocent of anything. We just have to prove that we just have to be found not guilty, or i.e. the charges dismissed. Get it? So then that opens it up to a lawsuit. So no more of this hacky ass bullshit that they play with the word games of, well, you weren't found innocent, you were just found not guilty. It is one and the same now, which it should have always been, guys. I mean, come on. You base your justice system on innocent until proven guilty. If you go through court and you're found not guilty, that therefore means that you're innocent. You, even if you did do it, in the eyes of the justice system, you are by all rights innocent. I mean, come on. So good win for us, guys. I mean, there's still hurdles, of course, that we will have to face when we're suing prosecutors and police, especially qualified immunity. We all know that. Hopefully, qualified immunity is on borrowed time, guys. Just like we hope Terry versus Ohio is on borrowed time. Both are extremely unconstitutional and are put in place, especially qualified immunity, guys, is put in place for us to fail, for us to not be able to sue the government. It is meant to protect them at all costs. But it's on borrowed time, guys. We will overturn qualified immunity, guys. This we will do. It may take a while longer, but eventually, guys, we will overturn qualified immunity. Just like I believe eventually Terry v. Ohio will be gone. It's one of the most unconstitutional laws there is. So, anyways, guys, it's right up there with every state's disorderly conduct statutes. Just ridiculous. If if two or more people are offended, you can go to jail for disorder. Get the fuck out of here. So what's that mean? That every time I go out and I protest my government, if a couple people drive by that are offended by my sign or by what I'm saying in a protest, they can say, arrest him, he's being... No, fuck that. That is a direct violation of our constitutional rights. So that's why I'm not pressed by these cops that threaten to arrest me for disorderly conduct if I'm cussing in public, because go ahead. I'll be the one that sets the precedence and appeals your bullshit and takes it all the way to the Supreme Court so we can get a Supreme Court ruling stating that it isn't disorderly conduct, and that all disorderly conduct laws that verb it that way is unconstitutional. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to take your time up for a short talk, let you know that we had a pretty good win come down, guys, from the Supreme Court. Still a long way to go, guys. A long, long way to go. But at least something came our way, guys, Now, let's all work on getting that qualified immunity going, guys. That's what we really need to get going. These cops know right now they can pretty much do anything they want and get away with it. I mean, look at that pig. Look at that porky piece of shit in Arizona that killed that man in the hallway of the hotel. That man should have went to fucking prison, especially when they confiscated his AR and seen you're fucked on it, scratched in it. He should have been relieved of duty and put in prison for that. He was itching to kill somebody. You know what I mean? But anyway, I'm out of here, guys. Happy day. Got a good little win. Everybody, stay tuned. I got some audits coming. I usually don't audit. I usually cop watch, but we got a few audits coming, guys. Peace out, and see you on the next one.